Hello my friend, I'll be here for my followers. For this case, we bring you a Epson L4260 printer. It says, if it's out of order, please contact Epson support 2620 message error. We show you how it's folded. Thanks for watching me and see you next time. Bye.
Okay, here we got the printer with the next message. It is Spanish, but it's okay. Wi-Fi is out of order. Please contact Epson support 202620. Let's start off and continue. Thanks. Okay, for this step we will remove the 3 screws on the bottom of the printer. Then we will remove the ink tank cover where the ink pads are located. We will remove the tank, then remove 1 screw from the small top cover with the screwdriver and 2 more screws on the inside of the front casing. Next, we will remove the side cover, applying gently pressure to avoid breaking the parts. There are several screws. We will remove them to access to the scanner cover after removing the cover in the middle. We will remove the screw secured by an internal clip. Remember to disconnect the flex cable first. This way. We can easily remove the motherboard protector. We will disconnect 2 flex cables and remove the scanner cover, revealing the motherboard. Now you see. Now we can remove the Wi-Fi card. We will use a brush to blow off any excess dust and then clean it with a cotton and hot coil to remove any remaining dust. The problem is caused by excessive dust buildup on the card. After reinstalling the Wi-Fi card, we will start working backward. Place the scanner cover. Connect the 2 flex cables. Pay close attention to the order. They connect directly to the board. Place the cover that partially protects against dust and other foreign objects, preventing them from entering the board's mechanism. We're gonna secure it with 2 screws and another cover. Be careful. The parts on this model of printer are very fragile. Add 2 more screws to secure the scanner and prevent it from coming loose from the main housing. We're gonna place the side covers. They are pressed fit, so make sure they fit into the bracket screwed in the ink tank later. Right, 1 more case, then the pad cover, and finally the right side cover. And in the end, now we're gonna add the last 3 screws to secure the housing on the bottom. how I'll show you all of you. We're gonna continue. I'm gonna test the printer. Okay, right. Let's check. We need to turn off the printer and see if the error message have disappeared. At the beginning of this video, it showed error message 202620. Let's wait for it to stabilize. It only shows a message to confirm the paper size, how you can see, but the error message is gone. So let's make a few copies to make sure everything is working properly, since we have to open the printer. It's a good idea to check the mechanisms and the ink system is working correctly. As you can see, everything is working fine and without any kind of errors. The message have disappeared, how you can see, and the error that was appearing at the beginning of the video has been resolved. So that's all, folks. See you next time. Thank you very much.